Okay, y'all, it's another Amazon human hair wig, honey. Look at this color. Okay, BeautyForever here, like, girl.
Cut it, cut it, hey, cut it, cut it, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, been taking it easy like poco. I make you leave. You can't speak when you're next to me, texting me. You know that you're the best for me, testing me. I know you almost left to me. Boy, you better take it time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find I keep. Spending time like I know it ain't cheap. Boy, you better keep an eye on me. I'm a dream, but you ain't asleep. Better hit me line or hit the street. You don't wanna be missing me. Boy, you better take it time with me. I ain't playing no hide and seek. When it's mine, what I find
and welcome back to Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another Amazon human hair wig. This wig was sent to me by BeautyForever Hair. It does not have a name, but I am wearing it in the color FB30 in 18 inches and 150% density. So let's just pop into the specs of this one. So this unit does qualify as a T-lace part wig. So it does have just this singular lace part going right down the middle. It didn't really come with baby hairs. It definitely did not come pre-plucked, you guys. This unit does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It did also come with a little bit of lace in the back. Not really sure what's going on with that because it doesn't necessarily look like you can do much styles as far as an updo is concerned. But definitely do note that this unit did also come with lace in the back, so you'll have to cut that out as well. The cap size on this one is definitely coming off small to medium head friendly, you guys. If you do have a larger size head, I would highly recommend straying away from this one just because my head is on the smaller to medium size and this unit is fitting my head pretty snug, girl. I haven't adjusted the straps at all. Does not feel like there's any stretch to this one. So I think if your head is on the larger size, you definitely will have an issue with this one. So like I told you guys, the length is 18 inches, so it is very natural. And this is a body wave pattern. I did throw some curls in this bad boy just because I just wanted to see how it would curl. I kind of do like how it came straight out of the box. As you can see, it kind of had this beachy wave, sort of effortless curl. So I kind of liked how that looked, which is why I just kind of went in and threw some curls just more so in the front, just to give it more of like a glam type of vibe. But I didn't want to go in and do too much just because I did kind of like how the normal curls were looking. But I do honestly think this unit would look gorgeous if you just went in and curled everything, you guys. I did curl this on about 375 degrees, so the curls are kind of dropping. I do think if I kind of went in with a little more heat as well as some product to just kind of get the curls to stay, that probably would have worked out better for me. But as a whole, I think it still does look pretty cute. So like I did say, you guys, this unit does not come pre-plucked at all. I did my best to try to go in and pluck this unit out, but definitely note, if you do pick this one up, the lace stops pretty early on, so it's kind of hard to get a supernatural look if you do actually decide to go and pluck it, just because you don't really have that much room to pluck far back before you're hitting tracks. So definitely do keep that in mind. I feel like this is kind of the best that I could do with what I was given. I think if they had given more lace, it would have been so much easier to just pluck it out and get it to sit the way that I want it to. But for the fact that they don't really give that much lace, you're definitely limited with this one. I want to say this unit runs around $150, and to be honest, girl, let's just pop into my thoughts on this unit. I don't think I would pick this up, honestly. You guys know whether I'm sent a unit or not, I'm always going to give you guys 100% the truth. I think because of the fact that it's not really pre-plucked and you don't really have much wiggle room, I think this price point is a little bit too high for me. I think the highest selling point on this unit is definitely going to be the color, because the color is gorgeous. But other than that, I honestly don't see myself spending $150 on a unit that I have to put so much work into, and also that doesn't really allow me to make it look the way that I want to. So it's definitely going to be on you. Price isn't too crazy as far as a human hair unit is concerned, but I just feel like I've seen other ones out there that are around this price range that do have more versatility as far as plucking it is concerned. So let's just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con with this unit is definitely going to be the hairline. The fact that it was not pre-plucked in any way, shape, or form, I was not a fan of that. Also the fact that you don't have much lace to go and pluck it yourself, that is definitely another con, just because like I said, I was willing to put in the work that it took to try to make this unit look natural, but the fact that it did not even give me enough lace to really do what I wanted to do, that is definitely a big con for me. Another con I have is the fact that it didn't come with baby hairs. Not really a big con, but definitely something you're gonna have to just work with. This unit is definitely going to be a lot of work. It's not going to be a throw on and go, honey, that is for sure. I had to put the work into this unit, and I mean, I think the overall look is like cute, but I don't really see myself wearing this out and about, you guys. So I'm hoping that you guys are digging this unit, because this is definitely going to be another one that is on sale on my website. So if you're interested in picking this unit up, of course, all my units on there is a mix of synthetic and human hair units, and you will be able to pick this unit up at a discounted price if this is one you're interested in. And of course, most of the units that are on my site, I also do have reviews for them, so be sure to go and check those out just in case you are interested in picking up any of the units on the site. I mean, my pros on this unit are, I think the curl pattern is very pretty. I think it curled very nicely. The quality of the hair feels pretty good. This color combination is gorgeous. I really like the length. It's super natural, definitely giving fall vibes, definitely giving summer vibes, everything in between. So I do like that. As a whole, like I said, I feel like this unit is cute. I wouldn't necessarily pick it up with my own money, honestly, if I had the chance. If the price point were more closer to, I want to say like $90 to $100, then I would consider it. But just I feel like the work that you have to put in and not being able to really get it the way that I wanted to, I wasn't really the biggest fan of that. So I wouldn't pick it up, but that's just me. But anyways, that's pretty much all I would say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.